Well, hello there. New hair, new me. What do you think? So decided to give the dread a chop. Well, my mom did actually. So yeah, it was just time to go. I love the dreads, but it was just time for something new, something that's just easier to maintain. And boom, here it is. But today is Wednesday, and you know you got to drop that weight loss Wednesday. Yeah. So the topic today is Mastermind. Now, if you haven't seen my Napoleon Hill series, I talk a bit about his thoughts on Mastermind and what that is. But when it comes to weight loss, you really want to have a team. You want to have a squad of people who can support you, and they have different abilities that can assist you along your journey. In psychology, you hear that you're the average of the people you spend the most time with, and I'm gonna do a spin on that. But you eat very similar in most of the cases to the people you spend the most time with, or the energies you tap into the most. And recognize that this is why a lot of the times, whenever if your parents are struggling with weight loss, you're probably going to be struggling with weight loss, because we tend to adopt the habits of our surroundings. And whenever we're growing up, we're being fed by our parents, and etc. and etc. etc. There's been studies done by this. So a good way to do this is to pick your team of psychologists that you want to tap into. Maybe you go to Jordan Peterson for like motivation and stuff like that. I wouldn't look at what he's eating, because he's just doing all meat. Maybe you have PTs in your area to keep you motivated with in terms of fitness. Maybe you're listening to Jim Rohn or Tony Robbins or something like that. But customize your team. You've got a squadron of people that can hold you accountable. And you can find people in real life that can do this, friends, all these different things, who are actually living the way you want to live and eating how you want to eat. Or you could do what I did whenever I started my journey. I didn't have any like sort of support network. You can go online, you can listen to audiobooks, you could find people on Instagram that support the lifestyle you want to live, because this is so important. Hypothetically speaking, if you didn't have anybody around you, making changes probably wouldn't be as difficult, because you would be like, oh, I want to eat plant-based, I want to eat oil-free, I want to start getting the steps in, you know what I mean? I want to start doing all these different things. But then all of a sudden, you remember that really good time you had with your parents or your partner or your homie at that restaurant, you know what I mean? And you got all these sort of like dopamine connections made to certain events, linking you to how you used to be. So it's really important to have a team to support you, inspire you. Maybe you have your favorite comedian you go to whenever you're feeling down and you want to laugh. Anything. So that is my video for today. Have a mastermind. Have a mastermind. Check out, if you're really dedicated about weight loss, check out the playlist I have made on my channel, the weight loss playlist. I've been making videos almost every Wednesday for like a year or so. Check it out. So much valuable resources for you on this channel. So that being said, I hope you have an amazing day. Peace, love, veganism. Smash in those fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Get the salads in. I'm out.